Fofofo TV brings you startups. These are inspirational stories from business owners, big or small. We will do a deep dive into their business lives and understand how they got started, their business journey, the challenges they face each day, what motivates them to keep going, the benefits they reap as business owners, and many more. These interviews are here to motivate and empower you to start. Dreams without actions are just dreams. Stay tuned and learn something new. Take action, start now.
Hello everyone, I'm Esther Otu. Welcome to Startup Chat on Fofofo TV. Startup Chat is a program where we interview and promote business owners. We do adverts for them on their business. So I am currently at Kokomlemle, soft printers and computers, to interview the boss himself. I want us to hear his story, how he started his business, and the challenges he's faced in his business. So please join me to hear his story. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
I'm Esther Otu.
I'm Davis Kokou.
Davis Kokou. Can you please tell our viewers how you started this business, the challenges you face, how much you earn monthly, weekly? Tell us your story.
Yeah, I thank you very much. I thank God and how far you have brought us. The journey was not easy, but so far we are somewhere now. We started this business since 2012. But before then, I was working with National Lotteries and I've been with them for 4 years. And certain market from UK wanted to establish the refilling business and the donor supply, and then he employed me as printer technician, and I was with him for another 2 years. But then I see that I can now start by my own. Then I start little by little. How I do it is, I'm working though, but every Saturday I have my flyers and my contact complimentary cards, and I go to company, internet cafe, shop to shop, and advise myself, tell them what I can do. And then I told them that I work only on Saturday. The target is not to spend my salary to save it for the future business that I want to put myself in. Then truly I managed to succeed in that level, and I save some certain amount of money, and then I start from there.
Okay. You doing the lottery business and National Lottery as a technician. What actually inspired you to start this business?
And I'm somebody who always want my freedom in the field of work. I want to, let something happen, do things by my own, not only depend on people all the time. And I see that this is what I'm good at. I can do it well. That is the thing that motivates me to start the business.
Okay, you starting the business, have you faced any challenges?
Yeah, challenges are numerous. The place to start the business. Actually, I started the business from home. As I say, Saturday, when I get the machine to repair, I carry them to my place where I stay. Any ratio work. Then we do it. I do it in the house, and I come and see that people start asking me, where is your office? People ask me where is your office, then I decide to rent a container. And when I rent the container, actually I rent it at airport area, Jowli. And the man agreed to give me the place just for 40 Ghana a month for the place, but the container, I hold the container myself. Then after I do innovation, I did the innovation and the rest. The master said that he had to take.
The place was really nice for him.
Yes. And he said he wants to take 160 a month for just a place, not by the container. And I see that when I have the letter, I can rent a shop. Why not make an opportunity and focus on taking the normal shop? That's when I left the container. And then I continued the business company to company. When I get few contracts, the money can come. I decide to buy to easy my movement. And now the challenges that the car to give a lot of problems. I decide to sell the car and then pack the money or have money for the shop as I say company. Then I do the money for the shop. And nothing will be the shop.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you solve your challenges?
What we solve the challenges is because of my faithfulness with my former boss. He supports me with one office table and 2 chairs. The one I gave, I have nothing else to say for business, nothing. But any job that we get or anything that any supply that we do, we reinvest the money to the business and then take some money, do some credit and pay on time. And little by little we are having it.
Can you please tell us how much you earn monthly, weekly, and then days? Maybe 2 days you earn this amount and once a month.
A day we can get all the other that we get. We can get a day if the market is good, you can get 8,000. You can get it. If the market is not, you can get 800,000, 2,000. That's how it is.
So, at your workshop, do you have apprentices, like people you teach them how to, what kind of computers or anything? Do you have them?
Yes, we have people that we train. Anybody who is willing to do this job, they will have to learn. And then we have some people from Accra, somebody who is already working. And maybe it's a technician, somebody who is not a printer technician. It's IT guy, but it's not a printer technician. Sometimes they come and we organize courses for them.
Right here?
Yeah, right here. Or sometimes we shadow with them. If they are 2 or 3, we go to them in the office and train them.
Okay, you train them for free or you take money from them?
No, we take money. We never train them for free. If somebody wants to be in our practice, now I can consider we don't take money because indirectly he's working for the company.
Okay.
Yeah, why is young train? He's also do something for the company. Now we don't take money. If you are just a part-time, we train you and you go. We will take money.
Okay. So how many apprentices do you have?
So far we have, we can say that we have 5 apprentices.
5 apprentices?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, can you please tell me how you feed them? Do you feed them? Do you pay their transportation? Or they do
we support them with some monthly tokens.
Aside the tokens, the salary or something like that?
It's in the form of salary.
Okay.
But we don't want to grant the salary because they are not in the payroll. Yeah.
That's very nice. Please, can you tell me numbers of your
Apart from the country, we have 8 workers that are managing the company and the other branches, and on them they also have people who help them, like other branches or other people. Now and the valley, they are not specific. Those are part-time training.
Some are part-time training.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many do you have here? How many workers do you have here?
Actually, we have 4 workers and let's say 2 apprentices in this particular.
Did you face any challenges with your customers? Like maybe you close and one of the customers come for one of the computers, or one of the customer is here to say, the computer I bought yesterday is not working and stuff. Do you test the computer before you challenges with them? How do you face that?
Definitely. When you buy a machine, we test it for you. But some people, maybe they are new to the machine, especially the apprentices. They don't know all the functions. Some people, they don't know all the functions. If they go and they press something and something bad happens, they thought that since the thing is new, why I had to develop this for them? But we take our time to take them through so that they understand the machine very well. Because sometimes the machine, when it's misbehaving, it's a language that is speaking. If you don't understand the machine language, you thought that the machine is or something.
What kind of language is that? Spanish or
No, we have a technical knowledge, every machine has a technical aspect of operation. That is the language I'm talking about. But at the end of the day, as I say, they go home satisfied.
Okay. So do you sell the computers or you have to supply to like someone wants 100 or 200?
supply any amount of the computers. If you don't have the stock, we get you the first account when we can supply. If the supply is big or huge, we have to have the down payment before we supply. If you give us advance check, you must be mature before we give you the fees. That's how we do it here.
Alright, that's very nice. Can you please advise those outside that want to do this kind of business and they don't know how to start up business? Can you please give them some few advice?
Advice I can give is only two advice in this business. You must master what you do. That is first thing, because you cannot just say that you are going to do printer repair, toner repair, computer repair. You don't know much about what you are going to do. You must master what you do so that you can solve the problems. The second one is you have to make your customers happy. They have to leave your place happy. Not that they bring one problem and then you give them another 5 problems. When they come, the problem is solved and solved well. That's what I'm trying to tell them.
Before I close my question, I would like to give us the education of business and your contact for those who want anything from here so that they can call you.
Okay. Yeah.
Please tell us where we are right now.
Yes, we are in the headquarters of Soft Printers and Computers. We have a branch at Tema, we have a branch at Adabraka, and then Circle as well. But here is the Kokomlemle on the Olympic Street, behind Joy FM. That is where we are actually.
Your number, please.
My contact, if you want to reach me, you can contact me on 0246 549850 or 026 555 8585. Thank you.
Okay, that's the end of the story. He was a technician at the National Lotteries authority, and now he owns his own business and he sells computers and then printers. You have all kinds of computers here, and that's all his story. Please, if you want to learn or you want to start up a business, as you have heard his advice, you can go through all those things. So please, I'll end the story here and give you more stories next time. Please, if you are new on this station, subscribe. Don't forget to like and then comment for viewers like you to find this video. Thank you. Bye.